It's market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, as you know, there's so many different indicators out there that people can use, and people get so confused about what to use and when to use when it comes to indicators. So I've just recorded a video walking you through my #1 trading indicator that I use all the time that helps me with entries and exit, and it's going to really help you out with your trading as well too. Click on the box above that says #1 indicator to get access to this video right now. All right, hey traders, market update time. Let's get straight into it. All right, let's have a quick look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Just a bit of a flat top here, isn't it? Just a real. We had a nice run up, little dip down, and then just continued run up, and a little bit of flat top. So it's really, what do they say? Petering out. It's really smoothing out right now, and it's really interesting to see what's happening here. Is this the time, guys? Is this getting ready to have that drop down coming down soon? Is that what's going on right now? Are we getting ready for all that drop? Or is this just hovering around here before we get another boom? You know, which way will it break? Because it seems very similar here, right? You can see had a big run up and then slow run up and then bam, went off and took off again, right? For another few weeks. So, I don't know, guys. Which way do you think it's going to break? Do you think we're going to break up or do you think we're going to break down? Let's have a look at, that's 8KAM. 8KAM. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones. Let's go back and have a look at the S&P 500. So you can see on the S&P 500, what happened here just recently is, let me just delete this off the screen, is you can see how we resistance. We broke up, and we actually, you can see here we broke up and then we came back down and we closed lower. So you can see this whole thing here. Is this a false breakout before the run down? I know, guys, but it looks really interesting, doesn't it? You can see what's going on through there. Now look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, same thing, but it's just going. It's not having a strong pullback, but we're just going sideways, aren't we? Just sideways. Is the Nasdaq getting ready for another run to the high side, and we're getting ready for another run to the high side? For me, guys, I actually hope that happens. Why? Because I have so many setups, both on the metals. And I have probably about, I have a watch list of 100 stocks right now that have a lot of bullish potential. I'm just waiting for a right day to get in. And, you know, I just hope that happens with these markets because I have a lot of bullish setups as well. And you know, if that's going to happen, then I'm all over it like a fat kid loves cake. So I actually hope this is a bullish move. Let's go have a look at the S&P 500. You actually can see we're getting a little bit more volume than yesterday. So again, not really much happening. But is this a sideways movement before the market drops down or before we go up? That's obviously the question I'm going to ask, right? Same with the Nasdaq, but pretty much nothing with the Nasdaq going through there. We've got the VIX. The VIX is actually spiking now. VIX spiked to 1291. The transportation average is sort of hovering around through here. So right now, guys, what we see here on the transportation average is we see this. We have this peak up here. We have this peak up through here. We come back down. If this is a lower peak, guys, if this is a lower peak and we break past these lows through here, meaning like if we get a couple more down days and we start to break past here and past this moving average, then looks like we're going to have a nice move on the downside, probably from there down to there, which is probably about a 5% move on the downside. That may be the thing that drags this market down. Or is it going to hold here and just continue running to the high side? Is this going to be a lower peak or is it not? So if it breaks back up, then we're probably like to continue moving up from here. Same thing on the Russell. We can see just a nice move up and then we're just going sideways through here. So is this getting ready for another move to the high side, or are we just having are we getting ready for a nice pullback here? And the same for the Russell 2000 as well too. But the thing with the Russell 2000 stocks is that we're getting a lot of volume today with that around this area of resistance. So that may be the start. That may be the end of this move here and the start of some selling in the Russell 2000 index. So that's what I see there overall, guys. I was going to mention something before. What was that? Nasdaq, S&P. Yeah. So nothing really much. I forget what I was going to say now, but anyway. So there we go, guys. Which way is it going to break? Are we going to break up, and we're going to continue running up on the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq and stuff like that, and go for another run? Or are we going to pull back? I do have my caution bells on, as I've been saying for the last week, that we are getting pretty far away from that 52 without a pullback, and so maybe a sharp pullback is going to happen real soon. I don't know, but nothing's really happening right now for the last week. I wish the market will start to move. I actually hope it's to the upside, but if it's not, then I'm sure I can accommodate and have some short positions on the downside as well too. Not trading the Dow Jones and the S&P, but looking at some stocks as well. So what do you guys think? We're going to go up, or we're going to have a pullback from here? Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says Get John's Help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.